about to dig in your nose? About to dig in your nose?
If you want to dig in my nose, I can.
Ew. The quality look good.
Huh?
The quality look good. You look cute though.
Matter of fact. You needed something?
Huh?
You need something?
Nah, I can still see you though. You had to lean back. Ah, she gotta lean back. That's good.
That's why I'm gonna get 5% now.
No, you're not.
Yes, I
No,
am.
you're not. You're not getting that. You're not getting that.
Who is you?
Your dad.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
I'm gonna get 5%.
I'm daddy. And daddy said you can't get 5%. So therefore, no. The answer is no.
You
But
know, these soundproof, right?
yeah, no, the fuck they not. I know you can still hear me. You what? You acting deaf now? She think it's a fucking game. Yeah, nah, she really can't see y'all. Yo, oh wait, I got the camera on down and shit. Hold on, I'm tweaking. So look, y'all. Look, she over here trying to look. Look, you looking silly as hell. She looks silly as hell. But y'all, look, we about to do a little POV drive. We got my girlfriend right here, cause everybody else been in the house and shit. It's cold outside. Y'all get what I'm saying? I got a video on the way right now. So this video obviously gonna be the last video that I post. Not saying like I'm done, but like this is the last video. Yeah, this will be the last video I post. So y'all be seeing this after the fact the other video done dropped. But yeah, y'all, we probably about to do a little POV drive. She needs some air in the motherfucking cam cat. So yeah, I'm here at WorkFit Medical, right? And bro, I've been trying to get a drug test for like 3 days, bro, for another job or whatever. And every time I come here, they say, come back tomorrow, or they be like, I'm gonna need you to wait till a weekday or whatever. I'm like, I work during the week. I drive 250 miles a week, but I don't be trying to, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, we about to get into it with this POV though in just a second. We about to hop on the highway. But I'm about to talk to her some more, and then yeah, we gonna get back at y'all. Alright, y'all, so we back with and shit, we leaving out the parking lot now. No, we just chopped it up for a couple minutes and shit. But y'all, bruh, it's a Buick, right? I do not know how to say that shit, bruh. Like, y'all gotta search it up. I might put a picture in this shit. Hold on, let me put my shit in track real quick. What the fuck? Yeah, but look. So, boom. It's a Buick, bruh. That shit called, like, an Invista Sport or some shit like that. Bro, y'all gotta look that shit up, bruh. Alright, I'm gonna put a picture in. Bro, that shit look like a fucking Urus, bro. I just seen one of them shits pass by me, bro. That ass thought that was a Urus. Like, no cap, bro. Them shits be confused, like, tricking the fuck out of nigga, bro. Oh, we got the little Burberlys. Shit only do it in track hella times. Yeah, I've been looking at tunes and shit. I'm doing my research, cause nigga, I really don't wanna get into too much maintenance type shit, cause I'm not OD rich, you feel me? But I don't like driving raggedy ass cars either. So I'm trying to make sure like the maintenance not gonna be too much money on, like with a tune and shit, with the Burble tune. But yeah, yo, it's a Chrysler behind me. I don't know if y'all gonna be able to see that, but just that shit over here. Let me see. Yeah, you ain't gonna be able to see that shit. He like a couple cars back, but that nigga was just flushing, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Let me turn this fucking heat off, nigga. It's hot. But yeah, Yeah, I feel like I ain't drive my car in forever, bro. I ain't gonna lie. That shit went into auto mode. I hate this fucking road. That shit make the car feel like it's raggedy. Hey y'all, close your eyes, man. Close your eyes. We about to no signal light. My ass over here. Oh, this nigga riding so fucking close. Like he wanna speed up when I go try to go around him. Weirdo. Now he get over. Thank you, buddy. Thank you, buddy. Oh, I'm supposed to get over. I ain't over. What the bro? Bro, what these niggas got going on with this construction shit, bro? This nigga, yeah, they're bugging. They need to go put the cones down. These niggas are just adding shit, bro. There's no warning. No warning, bro. That shit was crazy. Imagine I was going fast and not doing the speed limit. That would have been crazy. That's why we do the speed limit, guys. God damn. They need to fix that bridge. They over there fucking with that bullshit over there. They need to be fixing that bridge. Feel like a nigga just flew for a couple seconds. Damn. Yo, what this nigga done hit the sign and shit? Bugging. Y'all, I gotta get the GoPro all situated too, man. So I could just do GoPro POVs and shit. But like, I be having an issue when it's time to upload. That's why I ain't been using it. Cause nigga, I don't be using the computer no more. Cause it be like, it don't be uploading. Like it be taking like days to upload. I don't know if it's like I'm doing something wrong. But yeah, that shit be like fucking, and then it fuck up the quality too. Probably cause I ain't got no MacBook. But a nigga probably a cop one of them shit soon. If I get some money, I'm broke as fuck right now. Honestly. Downshift. Mountain. Yeah, bruh. Oh, look at the fucking FRS, bro. Them shit is fire, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Even like stock. Niggas be talking about how like they slow and shit, but I don't really care about like all that speed shit for real. They look good and they got like a lot of aftermarket for that shit. Low key, if I wasn't like a bitch, bro, and like I could drive manual, but like I'm not the greatest. But like if I was just like a YOLO ass nigga, bro, like I can afford a fuck up a clutch, I'd definitely cop one of them shits. But it gotta be manual, cause like I wanna be like having fun and shit, like drifting and shit like that. If I have one of them. Probably when I'm rich, I cop one of them shits. Put a little supercharger on that shit. You know what I'm saying? I'll get into it. But for right now, this fucking Chrysler, this shit work for me. Oh, this nigga hitting potholes and then he gonna swerve into the shit. What the fuck going on? I thought he cared about diffusion. This nigga bugging. Oh, tweaking. Yo, when I don't have the wheels on either, y'all, bro, like the steering wheel, it shit just feel different, bro. Like, I don't like the way the wheel feel when I don't have the rims on. Oh yeah, I don't even know if I told y'all this, bro. I do not have the wheels on right now. Bro, I'm on the fucking chrome, the old man's right now. I am on the old man's right now. Yes, I am. Oh, fuck, that 300 from the E-Way, that shit got behind us. I don't know if y'all can see it. Look. Yeah, that shit was on the highway with us earlier. But yeah, bro, I have the old man's on right now. Unfortunately. Yeah. I did do a burnout with these shits on when I first got the tires put on. I ain't recorded. So they say if you don't record it, it ain't happen. But one day I'll show y'all, like, I'll do a burnout. This shit be happening randomly though. I don't be doing it all the time. I just do it random as fuck. Once in a blue moon type shit. We at the fucking Valvoline, so my girl could get some free fucking air. Hopefully she catching the gist. I don't know. Oh yeah, she caught it. But yeah, she gotta get some fucking air, cause y'all know the can cat, that shit flat or whatever. And got a little slow leak in the rim. And it's crazy because this shit getting worse and worse, it seems like. But yeah, y'all, we gonna figure that shit out too. She supposed to be getting some new wheels, y'all. I told her she should start doing YouTube so we could see, like, cause I got pictures of her car when it was stock, and then, you know, I got pictures of my car. Here, look, let me turn this bitch around. Yeah, I got pictures of her car when that shit was stock. And then I got pictures of my car when it was stock. And then, like, what our shit look like now. It's looking good, you know what I'm saying? But yeah. I should have showed y'all that, my fault. But yeah, this nigga in this truck, he acting bad. This shit crazy. He just fucked the pothole up, I ain't gonna lie. But yeah, y'all, shit. I ain't trying to bore y'all, so probably stop it right here for a minute. And then if I don't start it back up, this will probably be the end of this video. I hope y'all like, comment, subscribe, all that good shit, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, y'all just work with me. It's probably gonna be a lot more POVs during the winter time, cause I do not plan on really driving too much to like car events and shit with the fucking chrome ends on. Oh, I gotta show y'all that too. I'm gonna show y'all that. I'm gonna probably throw a clip in here showing y'all the chrome ends on the car right now. But yeah, I ain't trying to show too much of the chrome ends at car shows and shit. So probably not gonna be seeing me, you know, with the Mopar Mafia and, you know, the chrome ends on and shit. So whenever the salt and shit all washed up and, you know, it's safe enough to put the wheels back on, I'll put the wheels back on and, you know, maybe go out to an event if it is one. And yeah, but that's into like that's like, you know, the future type shit. But I am working on getting a couple things done to the car. So hopefully this shit work out once I pay my insurance and shit. So yeah, y'all just stay tuned, bro. And I'm gonna catch y'all either in a few minutes or I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one, man. I don't know why she getting next to me like she gonna race. I had to start this bitch back up. She acting like she gonna race right now. I don't know. She might smoke me. Oh, my shit won't even stage right now. I don't know what's going on. My shit trying to do a burnout. There you go. Oh, fuck. I almost dropped the phone. Yeah, she ain't want that shit, y'all. I did not have... low-key, I was holding that shit with my fingers. I was bullshitting. Shit smacked me in my face. Yeah, but... man, the next clip probably just gonna be me showing y'all the chromes on the car. But yeah, y'all still remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram if y'all want, like, I still post content and shit on there, so like funny clips or like reels. But yeah, y'all tap in on there and yeah, stay tuned. Alright, y'all. So I'm here to show y'all the motherfucking chrome man. Use the chrome man. I see the tread though. I got a brand new tread on the chrome man, bruh. It's loud as a bitch in here too, so yeah, work with me. Yeah, look, the chrome man. Tread busting on them shit, but I'm back chrome as fuck. Chrome as shit, bruh. And it's a T-Rex next thing. But yeah, y'all, we about to do something about this paint. This shit look alright, but I'm gonna fix it up just a little bit. Oh yeah, and the tips too. Do a little something about them too. But yeah, this is the end of this video, y'all.
Don't play with the game, get put in the box. False shit, raw shit. I didn't hit no more about the check up in my pockets. I ain't caring what the cost is. We done came from lost.